Hi, my name is Friday. Welcome to my channel. To my subscribers, thank you as always. And to my non-subscribers, come and join the family. I plan to make some more winter decor crafts before I jump into the Valentines. For this first one, you want 4 of these picture frames. Take everything out. You will only need the glass. Take these tabs out. You just wiggle them, that way you won't crack your frame. They wiggle loose. Super glue your glass back into your frame. Then take this diamond wrap and cut it to fit on the inside of your frame. You only want to do it on one of them. You know, the Dollar Tree does carry sheets of these, and I would recommend that. It'd make it a lot easier. I just hot glued mine at the top and the bottom. And now on these 3, I love these little snowflakes. I will hot glue them right here and here, like this, on all 3 of them. And then I'll glue them together to make my lantern. And that project will be done. Okay, and there is the finished project. I used pop darts instead of gluing the snowflakes on. And next time I will super glue the frames together instead of hot glue. It just works a lot better. But I'm loving it. I also put some glitter white paper behind that diamond wrap. Let's see what it looks like when the candle is on. And there is it. I wish it was night and it'd probably be better. I think I can change my candles. Yeah, but I'm loving it and it's perfect for winter decor. Okay, on to the next craft. For this next craft, we will start out with 9 popsicle sticks, but you will need more. You want to take 2 of them and overlap them like this and glue them down. I'm using Gorilla's wood glue, but you can use hot glue if you'd like. Mine's about a 1/2 inch, 3/4 of an inch overlap. But when you do all 3 sets, make sure they are even in length and that they are flat too. After those are dry, glue your popsicle sticks like this. Whoops. Make sure they are evenly spaced and let that dry. And while that is drying, grab 12 more popsicle sticks, cut them in half, and then cut little angles on them. After that is all dry, flip it over. Take one set of your popsicle sticks, and what we want to do is to create a triangle. And you can see I have mine all uneven, so this is going to be tough now. But I can make it work. I just want to make sure I don't go over the other half because I need to place the other popsicle. So just on half of it, and I will determine where it goes. Line it up, because what I'm trying to create is a little triangle shape right in there, and I will glue this down and I'll repeat this for the inside. After these are dry, take the rest of your popsicle sticks and line it up. I want to try to even it out right there. This is going to go in the middle, and I want to glue it like that. Actually, I think a little bit further down like that, and I'll do it all around. And when that is thoroughly dry, then I'll flip it over and I'll paint it. And there is the finished project. Now, how easy was that? And I did use Waverly's Antique Wax to stain it. I'm loving this. And these things are so lightweight, you can easily attach them to the wall with a piece of mounting tape. Until next time, everyone, take care of yourself and one another, and have a happy new year. By the way, my New Year's resolution is to complete this year's resolution. Okay, bye.